double check the bracelets with me in just a minute.
Okay.
I'll get them wrapped up so you can hold them. Okay? Just bow, you said?
Bow, yes.
B-A-L?
B-A-L, yes. When are you going to open his eyes?
That might help.
Oh.
Right? One more footprint, guys. One more footprint. Great idea, isn't it? You open your eyes and see Daddy? Say, hey, Daddy.
Wow, a lot of hair over there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, Belle. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay.
All
Oh.
right, I'm going to have you write these for me real quick. They should all have the 05945 BNM number, 05945 BNM, 05945 BNM, and 05945 BNM. Then they should all have their names spelled correctly.
Mm-hmm.
January 28th, 09 at 1547. The M is for male. Male. 12809, 1547. They all look identical?
Yes.
Okay. You get one, your wife gets one, he gets two. You want to keep this on until he comes home.
Okay.
Anytime he's separated, like when I take him to the nursery, they'll ID him by these.
Okay.
And then ID him when you get him